This is what we will be playing today. Oh my god! Oh. She just f***ed up our game. Bean Boozled.
You gotta separate them.
What do you mean separate them? Not working.
No, try.
Nope. Why are there so many?
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
My name is Sam.
And my name is Jo.
And we are playing Bean Boozled. What it is you get this little thing and you get to spin. And then we have to see if we get one out of two choices. So one could either be coconut or spoiled milk, and you have no idea. The
Brown one. It's either gonna be chocolate or...
So it's chocolate pudding or dog food. I'm scared.
Cheers. I think I just got dog food.
Oh, I totally got dog food. That was disgusting. No, that was definitely not chocolate. You know, it's like in my mouth. It tastes like how canned dog food smells.
Yeah.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Cheers.
Ooh, I got buttered popcorn.
I don't even know if it...
Mine's for sure buttered popcorn.
Well, that definitely didn't taste like buttered popcorn.
You got an egg?
I'm pretty sure. And if that's what raw...
It's like it tastes like butter. Fuck you. So it's either berry blue or toothpaste. I don't even think toothpaste would be that bad.
I got toothpaste. But it's not
I got
that
toothpaste, but I like toothpaste.
It's not that bad.
It's cleaning my teeth.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
No, stinky socks.
I got Tutti Frutti.
Ew. Dude, try that one.
No, I'm good, thank you.
That was so gross. Especially after eating something that tastes like toothpaste. That was so gross. Okay, coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut or spoiled milk?
Oh god, this is definitely not something I want to do.
I just wish we
I don't
didn't
even
have
like coconut.
Really?
No.
No, I don't like anything about that. Ew, I still have that taste in my mouth. Ew, I still have that taste in my mouth.
Nasty.
Ew.
Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish? No, not that one. It's that one.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
No, because that's the peach one. What is this supposed to be? I don't want to do this. If you know what jelly beans are, it gets stuck in your teeth. So you
She
continue
just got
to
spoiled
taste
milk
this.
stuck in her teeth. Mine was definitely not strawberry smoothie.
It tastes like jalapenos.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know what that was supposed to be. It was supposed to be dead fish, but it actually tastes like jalapenos.
Lime or lawn clippers? Lawn clippings,
So like cut grass.
I guess. I got lime.
Oh no, I got lawn clipping.
Still
I
eating
actually
it.
got lawn clipping, but it tastes like herby. Kind of starting to taste like grass now.
Peach or barf? Tastes like jalapeno again.
Mine tastes like jalapeno too.
Juicy pear or booger?
Ew, 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 I don't want to take that. I got just pear.
I'm not really sure, but it doesn't really taste like a pear.
Tastes like a peach.
I think we tried all of them.
Okay, so we just finished. I would say it was like even, like it was kind of even. How
Yeah,
many we
I mean,
got.
if you really want to take a look.
No, they don't want to say that, but I think it was pretty even. Who got what? I'd say, right?
Yeah.
You know. Hope you like it, because we didn't.
We did not. We really like
Thanks for
16 of
watching.
each. Bye, guys.
Thank you.